Your liver is strong and can regenerate itself. That's great news. It starts with weight loss and some special treatment you will soon learn. Liver failure. Liver failure is a serious condition that occurs when the liver can no longer function properly. Liver failure can be acute or chronic. Acute liver failure occurs suddenly, while chronic liver failure develops over time. Liver failure can be caused by a number of things, including hepatitis, cirrhosis, and drug overdose. 2. Liver cancer. Liver cancer is a type of cancer that starts in the liver. Liver cancer is the 5th most common cancer in the world and the 3rd leading cause of cancer death. Liver cancer is often caused by chronic liver disease, such as cirrhosis. Cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is a chronic liver disease that is characterized by scarring of the liver. Cirrhosis can be caused by a number of things, including hepatitis, alcohol abuse, and fatty liver disease. Cirrhosis can lead to a number of complications, including liver failure, liver cancer, and portal hypertension. Now let's go into a little more detail about these 3 complications. 1. Liver failure. Liver failure is a life-threatening condition that occurs when the liver can no longer function properly. Liver failure can cause a number of symptoms, including jaundice, fatigue, nausea, vomiting, and bleeding. Liver failure can also lead to a number of complications, including coma and death. Liver cancer. Liver cancer is a serious disease that is often fatal. Liver cancer can cause a number of symptoms, including abdominal pain, weight loss, and jaundice. Liver cancer can also spread to other parts of the body, such as the lungs and bones. Cirrhosis. Cirrhosis is a serious liver disease that can lead to a number of complications. Cirrhosis can cause portal hypertension, which is high blood pressure in the veins that drain blood from the liver. Portal hypertension can lead to a number of complications, including esophageal varices, which are enlarged veins in the esophagus that can rupture and cause life-threatening bleeding. Cirrhosis can also cause liver failure, liver cancer, and kidney failure. If you have liver disease, it is important to talk to your doctor about the risks of complications. Your doctor can help you develop a treatment plan that will help you prevent complications and improve your overall health. Click on the link in the description to watch a short video on how thousands of people are losing weight and healing their liver. They are doing this without exercise or changing their eating habits. The ultimate 21st century solution. If you have someone you care about who struggles with weight loss, please share this video and the link in the description. It could be a life changer.